Hey guys, it's me, Julie the Microwave, and welcome to Scooby Horror Arcade. This is a brand new game made by Dave Microwave Games, and then we're gonna test it out and see how this game actually is. And let's see if it's lame. Okay, let's go. What a new day. You went roll through the safe vowel. What? What are you talking about? I just started the video. I just started the video. Wait, okay, there you go. Maybe the game is messing with me. No, go back. Proceed. Okay, proceed. Would you like to play the tutorial? Yes, I'll do the tutorial. Tutorial like this. Guys, I'm sorry. Let me just fix this. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's be real. Oh, brother, we're lost. This is all fed for running the split again. Sorry, man. I guess we'll just have to continuing follow this road. Actually, we find some clues. Come on, Scoob! Okay, so we have to look for clues. Okay, these are the controls. Okay, you're lost. Okay, look for clues. Whoa, like that. I got Scooby-Doo! Oh, he followed me! Oh, yeah. Wait, is this... Wait, hold on. Is this thing on low? Yeah, I can make sure. I had to make sure because I can see better. Left button to zoom? Yo, this is so cool. Yo, that's so cool. Okay, so we're lost and we have to find some clues. One of the trees are blue. Whoa, what happened here? Okay, zoom on. Okay, I think I know this. A clue. What? Oh, press to activate things. Okay. We found one clue. Do we really have to go in there here? I know that's a... I think I know that's a terrible, Shaggy and Scooby-Doo and the other guy. But get with it, I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, no, Scooby, come back! What are you doing? Where's that? What the? Scared me, Scoob. Scooby snack. Scooby snack on the come on. The house there. Oh! Little Scooby snack. Oh! How? That sound is after the change. Yum. I like me some Scooby snacks. Okay, we have to farm. Okay. Ooh! Another clue. Activate. A bunch of photos, and they are look, this is a key. Next to them, maybe if we check that old house, we'll find more clues. But which house? Oh, you mean that house? Okay. Hey! Sorry, I was distracted. Oh, this house. Oh, that house. Okay. Really? Why is this pumpkins? Halloween is over. Get the heck out of here. Okay. Open. Yeah, hammer. Some rope. A garbage can. And a mop. Well, oh, another clue. What is that noise? What? Is that just take the noise? Wait, what the? Okay, let me just go. What was happening? Ah! Yoink! Run, Scoop! Okay. Being chased by the creepy cook. Also, it's telling me to close the door that I'm in. This one. Shoot! I guess we got that creeper to split down. Yeah. Whoa! No! We gotta get out of here. Okay. Oh, he busted up the door. Great! That sound is actually from Straight Tale from the Deep. Oh, there he is. Hey, there you are. We've been looking all over for you two. Yeah, well, you told us to split up. We lost this wood. What was that? So that bit, okay. Right. We found some clues. Great thing. Now over here, and we'll take a look at time we up this mystery. Wrapped up this mystery. Okay. Okay, I think I know. So to go to here. Whoa, look at that! I like that the black background. Okay. E to interact. Whoa! So this tells me I can pick a trap. Okay. The building in that built in 50 seconds. This fall. Oh, so these ones they don't want. So let's just do this. What the? Where is it? Oh, is this a trap? Like I can. Where do I put it? Maybe on the target. Yes. What the? Oh, there's the three of you. Hey, Velma. Give me your teeth. Mwah, mwah. I'm your girlfriend. That's for real. Where? Here it comes! Oh, shoot. Oh, we got him! Yeah! Tutorial complete. Rank S, bruh! Click anywhere to proceed. Yeah, boy. Okay. Yeah. Whoa, the map. Whoa, this is so cool. That was a tutorial. Okay, let's see if we can. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see if we can beat this. And like, what the? Random? No, let's just do this. That monsters remind me of like the Scooby Doo. Oh, the background? They might. They don't like me. I got the bad feeling. Yo! This is like from Scooby Horror 2! You know that game? You guys know that. Watch that video. Oh, I didn't mean to press zoom. Oh, hey, don't need to bother. I don't need. Oh, I got stamina. Oh, okay. Again and dig. You got that open? Okay. What is that? It looks like I could get shocked. Can I go in this? What is this? A clue. I think that's the thing that slowed me down. Yeah, I think so. Oh shoot! He found me! Oh, I lost him. You go this way, I'll go this way. Oh no, a trap. A trap. Oh my god! Oh, this is health. Oh, it's like me at the beginning. Look at that surprises me. Hey, Scooby! You anybody still pick up that skeleton? Oh, shoot! Shoot! Yo, I like this chase music! And I also like this game. Shoot! I love the chase music! Shoot, shoot! I'll let you guys hear it. Oh, phew. No, come on! No! Ah. Like that. That was the siren, the police. Oh my gosh! Where's my Scooby? My dog! Did you just get a checkpoint? Oh, you're right there! Oh, I've been looking for you. I only find one clue. You know what bothered me? I didn't even give a single other clue. What is that? Oh, that's just the light of it. Never mind! Oh, shucks! Go, 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 go! Go, go! Here! I missed them! I missed them! I totally missed them! No, Lieutenant! Jukes! No jukes! No jukes! What happens now? Max. Mission failed. Bika 62. Scooby snacks. I'm gonna do all of it. And let's see if I can beat it. Let's do this and oh my god, look at him. Ooh. This game faked me out. Like there's someone over here. Like, yeah. Fine. Go home. What is this? Oh, the tree. I have to be careful because somebody told me. Because no. Oh no! Somebody told me. That's what I'm trying to say. What is this? E? Somebody told me like. Oh my god! Somebody told me that he can teleport near the bushes. He pee-potted me. Yo, chill! Chill! How you do go? I haven't got it. See? There it is. Wait, what is that? 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 Is that a coin? What is that? What is that? What is What is it? What is it? Nothing! Nothing! Still! I cannot! I cannot! But my stamina's going so slow. Thank you, game. No! Just slow me down! Oh my Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. He knows where I am? How does that stop him? There's a clue. Oh, phew. Just let me take this clue and give me a break game. Okay, found the clue. Scooby! He walks around! He cannot teleport to bushes! Only in Scooby Horde 3 he can teleport next to a bush. He just walks around like a madman. Where's my Scooby? No, I lost my Scoob! Come on, man. I lost my Scoob! Are we playing Scooby Horde? Do this thing. I didn't! I just pressed it too soon. Too soon, too soon, too soon. Yeeski! Look how he runs. Look at that! Okay, enough. No. Oh, there it is. Okay, phew. Bam. Go to here. What the? Oh. Let me just go here with some more coin right there. There's another open tree. He's stuck. Scooby's stuck. Oh no. 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 No. My stamina. What the heck? What is that? What is that? What is that? Is that a clue? No, it's just a house. There's another tree. There's another tree I can knock down. Yeet! Oh no! Yeet! When I say yeet, I meant to say offensive maneuvers. No, I need Scooby. He just spawned. Nope. Give me a break, game. Give me a break. Open that, Scoob. Let's go to this corn maze. I don't like this corn maze. Shoot! Oh no, I don't like this. Where's the exit? I died. Of the maze! Let's go to here instead of there. So he can walk around like a madman. Not through the bushes. So that's good to know. I think this is gonna be a long video, but eat to eat the rat. What? Did I broke the game? I just saw a clue, and I think I broke the game. When I say yeah, I meant offensive maneuvers. Well, I'm just walking around. Look how he runs. Why is my camera? He is blue, but he's green. Oh, shucks. Wait, I didn't mean to press that. What the heck, man? Wait, what is that button? Wait, what was that button? Wait. Hold the phone. What was that button? I just saw a button. A butt. Nope. He's not there. Bro, this is so scary. And I like it. Oh, this one? Wait! We should do that to the monster! Yeah, so he will get us. Let's try. Where are you, monster? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? He's definitely right behind me. Sneaky. Eh? Nope, just Scooby. Where is this monster? So weak. Oh, I thought that was a face! Yep. Get it! I missed them. Why is it around in circles? Face of Anubis. Bam! No! Yes. Goody. Too late. Oh my god, that's scared me so bad. Okay, let's do this one. Pineapple Beach. What are we doing? The same dude. Like the suit. Oh my gosh. What the heck, man? Sorry. I burped too soon. Oh my god! He just did a dab! Shoot! Ah, no! Oh, I thought I'd be... Oh, look! That's like something to like look on. Look, can you like get up my tail? Yeah, come on, Scoob. Oh my gosh! Yixky, beep. Can he come? Oh my god, you know where I am. When he comes here, I'm gonna do quick before that hey! Oh no, I'm in trouble. Open! There it is!
Mike, let's get out of here.
Oh no, but ah! Run away! I like these scuba snacks because they're coins! Sorry about that zoom. There's totally one right here. There is. It's lucky I found one. Shoot. What's in here? Oh, knife. Is this it? No, that's a... Oh, man. Not there. Ah! Where's that monster? Don't touch! Oh my gosh! Nope. A face of maneuvers! Bum. Mind your business! I'm not gotta show you where I go. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, shoot, shoot! Don't see me, don't see me. Just shoot! I didn't even get another clue. What's going on with me? What was that? What is the point of that? Okay, I'm getting down here. What? I used it once? Why do I have to use it once? That's no fair! Well, look at my stamina. Well. Oh, probably in there. Oh, probably one of those bathrooms. Let's check. Nothing. Nothing! These clues are very hard to find. What is that? Found another monster token! Yeah! Oh. I cannot go there. There's an invisible wall. Scooby! I don't want to know what happened. So I fall down in the water. If I die in the water, does that mean that's death? Is that death? Shoot! Go up, go, just go. Bug, can you get off my tail? Thank you very much. You go to my side. Well, I don't think so. Then leave me alone. Nothing. What? Yay! We only need one more and then we win. What does this do? Oh, there's just a climb. No, what are you doing? Okay, he's up top. No need to worry. No worries. This time. No worries. Are you kidding me? I know. Did that make him go faster? I think so. Stop. Oh, well, that's the last two. I swear to God, I'm gonna be death. I'm gonna be death. No. Well, I can die on the water. This is this one. Whoa! Wait, let me turn on the lights. There we go. Wow! Lol! I already died! In there. Oh, it has like those too. Okay. Ew! Okay. But where's the monster? I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. he just busts up to the door. Guys, this is gonna be a completely failed one.
Get back here, you little bitch!
No kissing allowed! Well, guys, sorry, as usual. Okay, this one. Ooh, there's two monsters. There's like one witch and what and the Frankenstein. Something's fishy. The tip. Not even a little. Yeah, Shaggy. Okay. I'm kind of scared. Oh no, this is a dangerous room. That console even... What? Shoot. No. Chill! Where are they? Oh my god, he's right there. Ah, both of them. Run away. Run. Just run. Open this door. Open! Hey. Yay, AI. Oh, shoot! It glitched the game! Oh, it was the witch! Oh, so it was not only the Frankenstein. It was the witch. Witch! He just did a moonwalk. Yeah, don't come here again. Hey, Frankenstein, dude. Frankenstein. Escape. Oh my god, both of them. Look at them go, both of them. Are you kidding me? When did they just start the game? Failed. This one and the museum. Oh, I don't know. Let's see it. Oh my god, I'm so afraid of inside games. I got the ladder up. So this is the way out. in the armor. My gosh. I'm so afraid to go there. It's so dark. But I can see him right here. Oh, there you are, Scoob. Scooby! Yay! I love Scooby. Shoot, 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 shoot! I think his horse, invisible horse. I think that is invisible horse. That's why he got me. Oh, shoot, shoot, shoot! Boy, I like this game so much. Let's do this. Play. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, this is so creepy, man. Pow, pow. Okay, so this is like snow. Scale the trap. Scale the Oh, that was Scooby. I got afraid. Oh, I totally forgot my flashlight. Just want to see that monster, and that's it. That's the point of the game. I just want to see the monster. Looks like someone was playing golf, and someone got murdered. There you are! Shoot, shoot. Oh my gosh. Wait, where are you going? I'm back here, my little friend. Not a friend. Sorry, guys. He don't care about the mystery van. He's big! Hello? You ain't gonna get me, bro! Shoot, 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 shoot! He's still after me. Juke. How can I juke? How did I just do that? Let's do that again. When I start the game, he teleports. Okay, let's do it again. Come and kill me. Come and get me, you fool. Oh, man. Now what are you, fool? Fool, fool, fool. You a little fool. There you are, there you are. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to slap that like button and hit the bell to notification. You better subscribe, or this Yeti is gonna kill you! Yeah! I hope you like this video. Come kill me! You big old belly! Why is he getting faster? One more time. That was a good one. Hot potatoes. Oh my god, he can roar! Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. What the heck is that? I don't know, but that make me slow. Make a slow poke. Mouse. I think it's not over yet. I changed my mind. Let's do this. We're dealing with 2 monsters. Ooh. Scary. I think I lied. This video's not gonna be over. Let me just go to that. Let me just go to that car. No.
Let's go.
What the heck?
There you are. I am going to beat your ass.
A good word. Oh my gosh! Get away from me. Hide, hide. He won't find me.
No trap.
Yeah, don't get. Wait, what was that big? What was that? What was that big? What the? Can that also kill me? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, he can. He can also can. What is this? Okay, I don't think I cannot do this. If he spots me, if I die, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna call it a win. I'm just full my whole speed. Okay, I cannot. Oh my gosh. I can't. I swear to God. This last one. Funland. What is that? God, I cannot do that. That's like one-eye Cyclops. Okay, Funland. I don't know. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video here, but first let's check out that monster. Hey monster, where you at? Where you at, bruh? Bruh! Don't be shy, you need to kill. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to slap that like button and see you later.